Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to block someone on Reado. To block someone on Reado app, first of all, open up the Reado application on your device and then make sure to log in. After you're in the home page, search for the person you want to block by tapping on the search button at the bottom and then looking for the search box at the top. Type in the name of the person that you want to block. And then from the search result, look for the person and tap on their profile picture. Now, once you end up in their profile, go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. Now click on Block Profile. In the pop-up, click on Block to confirm. And there you go. You've successfully blocked someone on Reado. Now their posts, comments, and interactions won't show up in your feed, giving you more control over your experience. That is how it's easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more updates from us. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.